Hi and welcome to Afrihost Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to do a data top-up and an auto top-up on your Capped DSL account via Client Zone. Open your internet browser. Navigate to afrihost.com. On the Afrihost site, select Client Zone at the top of the page. Enter your Client Zone username and password and click Login. Select the Connectivity tab. On the right-hand side, select the product you want to top up. Select the Data Top-Ups button. To top up immediately, under the Top Up Now section on the left-hand side, select the top-up amount you wish to top up with from the drop-down menu, and select the payment method. Tick the box to confirm you understand the terms and conditions of the top-up, and click Top Up My Data to proceed. You have now successfully topped up your data. Now you will see how to do an auto top-up on your account, so that you don't have to do it manually when your data runs out, and it will automatically top up in the increments of your choosing. Again, in Client Zone, select Data Top-Ups. On the right-hand side under Auto Top-Ups, select the top-up increment you would like from the drop-down menu. This is the amount your account will top up with every time you run out of data. Then set the monthly limit from the drop-down menu, so that you don't spend more than what you want in a month. Tick the box to enable your auto top-ups. Then select Enable Top-Ups button. You'll be notified that it has been enabled successfully. Click OK. You have now successfully topped up your account and set your auto top-ups to your desired amount.
Hi, Jean, CEO of Afrihost here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afrihost.com.